Hello, today I'm going to show you benchmark of Grand Theft Auto 5 on MSI GTX 1070 Gaming X Edition. The processor is Intel i5 6600K. It runs at 3.5 GHz and has 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. The game settings is all set on max. Without further ado, let's get to the benchmark. During the benchmark, the lowest FPS was 36 and the highest of 83. Now let's test performance in the story mode. During the benchmark, the lowest FPS in the story mode was 43 and the max of 72 while driving. Now let's check the difference between land and air. During flying we had low 52 FPS and a max of 91. During air the FPS is higher. Now let's test the difference in online performance. The lowest FPS online was 34, compared to the story mode which was 43. The highest FPS in the story mode was 72, while online had 52 during driving. Now let's test the difference while in air. While testing the FPS in air, lowest FPS was 31 compared to the land, which was 32. The highest FPS in air was 65, while on land was 52. From this I conclude that online affects the FPS more than the story mode. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.